Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need working basics now. Sign into the same account the phone uses, then open the tracking app and confirm location and network access are enabled. Once done, grant the app required permissions like precise location and device administration so remote commands work. Make sure Battery Saver isn't blocking background activity, otherwise the app won't report. Install or verify the companion web portal is accessible on your computer. Then proceed to locate the device immediately. Once you're in the portal, refresh the live location and watch the map pin move. This confirms the device is reachable. If it's nearby, use play sound to ring at maximum volume even if on silent. If it's lost in public, use lock with a contact message and temporary passcode to prevent access. For higher risk, prepare remote erase, but don't run it yet if you hope to recover data. Make sure to note the last seen time and battery percentage, as these affect next steps. If the map leads to a private location, approach safely or send a trusted friend, otherwise call and coordinate recovery. If theft is suspected, take screenshots of the live location and file a police report, then contact your carrier to suspend service and a May block. If recovery is impossible, perform remote erase to protect data and then remove the device from your account. Troubleshooting tip: if the device shows offline, toggle last seen awareness and search for recent check-ins. Rescan at intervals and try different networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.